This is R.D. Sharma solution class 12 chapter 11 differentiation exercises 11.5. Now if we have y equals 10x to the power cot x to the power 10x. So individually we know how to do this, we have already done already. So we will do it separately and then we'll add it. So the first way is to make one as u, second as v, du by dx, dv by dx, then you can add them and equate it to dy by dx. Or there is a shortcut method which is e to the power log. You can write anything in front of e to the power log because e to the power log base e cancels out. So e to the power log 10x to the power cot x. So you have this cot x come in front. So final will be e to the power cot x log 10x. This is the first thing. Now this is the first thing I am doing, first part. Second, you can do it later. So we have this e to the power cot x log 10x. So d by dx of this is going to be the same thing. So e to the power anything will be e to the power that thing only. E to the power cot x log 10x. Now cot x will take outside. Log 10x is 1 by 10x and 10x is sec square x. This is sec square x. Then we have log 10x will take outside and cot x is minus cosec square x. So let us make it as negative minus cosec square x. Alright. So now this is, we can simplify it more. This e to the power cot x log 10x is essentially 10x to the power cot x only. So you can just write it as 10x to the power cot x. Then we have this cot x, x square x, tan x. Let us see what do we get from here. So cos by sine cot is 1 by cos square is x square and sine by cos, so it goes up and cos by sine it will be. So this cos square will cancel out 1 by sine square will go up and it will be cosec square. So here you get cosec square. And since cosec square is in the both the term, first term and second term, so we'll take cosec square common from here. So I'm taking cosec square common. We are left with 1 here minus log 10x. So what do we get? The first answer, the first part is this only. And the second part which we are going to do has to be added to this first part. Alright. So I'll do it with a different color so that you understand we have to do cot x to the power 10x and you have to add it. So this e to the power log, and just write this one, cot x to the power 10x and 10x will come in front. So it will be e to the power 10x log cot x. E to the power 10x log cot x. So differentiation of this will be this only. Same thing, e to the power anything will be e to the power that thing only. Then we have to do the inside one. So let us do the inside one now. So e to the power 10x log cot x. This same thing will come when we differentiate it. And then we have 10x log cot x will be 1 by cot x. And cot x will be what? Cot x. The differentiation of cot x is what? It's minus cosec square x. Minus cosec square x. Now this log cot x we have to take outside. Differentiation of 10x will be sec square x. Now this 10x cosec square x cot x, let us see what do we get. Sine by cos, 1 by sine square. This is cos by sine. So this sine cos. Sine square gets cancelled. 1 by cos square will go up. It will be sec square. So what do you get here? You will get sec square x. And you see the second term also contains sec square x. This is from where did we get cot x to the power 10x. So you can write it as cot x to the power 10x. Then we have sec square x. You can just take common. Only this, since we have a negative, okay, minus cosec square it came. So now log cot x will be here and this negative here. And then we can just write 1 because we already taken sec square x common. This is 1, this is 2 and just add these two and you will get the final answer. Okay. Now dy by dx y is equal to sin x to the power x and sin inverse under root x. So let us see, sin inverse root x can be done directly. Sin x to the power x we have already done. It was e to the power log, just write sin x to the power x in front of that log. X will come in front. So e to the power x log sin x, that we have to differentiate. Let us differentiate this one first. So e to the power x log, dy by dx we are doing this one. E to the power x log sin x. Okay. So e to the power x log sin x will be that thing only. Then x log sin x will be x log sin x 1 by sin x will be cos x. And then we have a plus log sin x, d by dx of x will be 1. D by dx of x is 1. So e to the power x log sin x, and this was essentially sin x to the power x only. So sin x to the power x, you can write it here. Now x, cos x by sin x is what? It is cot x. So this is cot x. And you have log sin x here. This is your first part. First part is already done. What about the second part? Sin inverse under root x. So sin x under root x, I am doing it with a different color. This is, you have to add to the first part. So sin inverse under root x can be done directly. So sin inverse under root x or sin inverse of anything will be 1 by under root 1 minus that thing square. So 1 root x whole square will be 1. X. So 1 by under root 1 minus x, and root x differentiation is 1 by twice of under root x. So 1 by twice of under root 1 minus x into x is, you can multiply inside, x minus x square. If you multiply x with 1 minus x, it will be x minus x square. Final will be 1 divided by twice of under root x minus x square. So this is the second part. First and second you have to add. This is the second part, and you will get the answer finally. Now dy by dx, this is x to the power cos x and sin x to the power tan x. We'll do the first one first. So you can just write it as e to the power log and then x to the power cos x. So x to the power cos x here. So e to the power cos x comes in front. So cos x log x it is. So it will be e to the power cos x log x. Differentiation of this, first one I am doing, okay. So d by dx of this e to the power cos x log x. So it will be this, it will be the same. And then cos log x. So cos log x will be 1 by x. Then you can take log x here. And cos x will be minus sin x. So let us write like this. This is the first part already done. Alright. First part is already done. So this came from x to the power cos x. E to the power cos x log x. I am writing it as x to the power cos x by cos x minus sin log x. This is your first part. Alright. Then we have the 1 and 2 we are going to add. The second part I am doing now. Let us take the second part. It's e to the power log x, and you can write this log sin x. Log sin x to the power tan x will come in front. E to the power tan x and log sin x. Alright. Now d by dx I am doing this one. So e to the power anything will be e to the power that thing only. So e to the power 10x log sin x, that same thing, and it has come from sin x to the power 10x. So just write it as sin x to the power 10x. Same thing, because these are the same thing, you know. So sin x, I'm just reducing the steps. Sin x to the power 10x, and then we have 10x here, and this was sin x, and then cos x plus, and then log sin x we are taking outside. 10x will be sec square x. So sec square x log sin x. Okay. So this tan x sin by cos will be cos, and sin this all gets cancelled. So only 1 will remain. 1 plus sec square x and log sin x. 1 plus sec square x log sin x, and sin x to the power 10x will be outside. This is the second part or second term. 1 and 2 you have to add, and that will be the final result. Alright. Now dy by dx of y is equal to x to the power x plus sin x to the power x. So same thing you have to do. These individual term you have already done. So e to the power log x to the power x come in front, e to the power x log x, and then sin x to the power x, e to the power log sin x to the power x. It will be the e to the power x log sin x. Okay, let us differentiate them one by one. So this sin x to the power x already done, so I am not doing it again. We have already done in question number 28. This part x to the power, this sin x to the power x. See, let me tell you the answer also. This already we have done, so I am not doing it. Just one question back we have done. X to the power x already we have done, but we'll just try. We'll try to solve this. So e to the power x log x. So x log x is 1 by x plus log x, differentiation of x is 1. So 1 plus log x it will be. E to the power x log x was essentially x to the power x only. So x to the power x, this will be. So these two terms you have to just add. Alright. Now 10x to the power log x plus cos square pi by 4. This is y. Now what do you see here? What will be the differentiation of cos square pi by 4? Pi by 4? Cos pi by 4 is cos 45 degree. This is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. This is a constant. Constant differentiation is 0. So you don't have to worry about anything. It is 0 only, right? So this is a constant. Cos square pi by 4 is a constant term. So even if you differentiate, it is going to give you 0. So this is 0. So we just have to do 10x to the power log x. That you have to concentrate. E to the power log, and write this 10x to the power log x, and log x will come in front. So log x will come in front. It will be here. E to the power log this log x log 10x. D by dx we are doing of this term. So it will be same thing, e to the power log x and log 10x, and that is nothing but 10x to the power log x only. That is 10x to the power log x only. Log x 1 by 10x, 10x is sec square x, and then plus this log 10x 1 by x. So this sec square x by 10x, it will be like that only, you know, sec square x by 10x, 1 by cos square, sine by cos, cos by sine, cancel 1 by sine and cos. We will not get anything out of it. Okay, so better is to just write it like that. And what is this e to the power log x, this log 10x? It was actually 10x to the power log x. Okay, so 10x to the power log x, sec square x by 10x log x, plus this is log 10x by x. Now you see this is the final result. Same thing. This will be 0. Cos square 4 pi by 4 is 0. Now dy by dx of y equals x to the power x plus x to the power 1 by x. So as I just said that these are repeated questions. If you want to just go ahead, you can just go forward. But who wants to understand, x to the power x will be e to the power log x to the power x come in front. So e to the power x log x, d by dx of e to the power x log x will be remaining the same. E to the power x log x log x will be 1 by x, and then plus log x, differentiation of x will be 1. So e to the power x log x, it is coming from x to the power x only, and 1 plus log x. This is your first part. Then you have the second part, x to the power 1 by x. So first part you are already seen. Second part we are doing. So e to the power log, then x into 1 to the power 1 by x. So e to the power 1 by x will come in front, log x, d by dx of this one. So this will remain same. E to the power anything will be e to the power that thing only. So we are doing the differentiation, and it will be, first term will be x to the power 1 by x only, because same thing. And 1 by x log x will be 1 by x, log x will be 1 by x. And then why I am taking minus, because you will just see log x, differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So minus, that is why we have taken. So log x by x square. So x 1 by x square it is. 1 by x square minus log x by x square. So you can take x square in the denominator. 1 minus log x by x square. This is your final answer. So this is 2 and 1. You can just add these two, and this is going to be the result finally. X to the power log x plus log x to the power x. So the scenario is same, the way is same. You can take it as u and v, you can take it as e to the power log, whichever you want. So we'll do it by taking u and v. So dy by dx will be equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. U is x to the power log x. So log u will be, log x will come in front, log x, log x, log x, log x. 2 log x will be there. And log x into log x is what? Log x whole square. So rather than doing by the product rule, it is better always to use it like log x whole square. So 1 by u du by dx, log x, 1 by x plus, it is square, so this is one way, okay. Log x 1 by x, again 1 by x log x, so that is going to be twice of log x by x, same thing, right? So what we'll do here is log x whole square it is. So twice of log x will be 1 by x. So here we have log x whole square, just assume to be log x whole square, twice of log x will be 1 by x. So twice of log x by x is the result here, but you have to take u also on that side. It is x to the power log x. So x to the power log x into 2 into log x divided by x is your final result for the first part. Alright. Now let us take the second part. The second part is this log x to the power x. And this is the first part I am showing you. Then we have the second part. I am changing the color. So v is actually log x to the power x. So log v will be x log of log x. X log of log x. This is 1 by v dv by dx is equal to now differentiation of this. So x log of log x will be 1 by log x and log x will be 1 by x. So this x gets cancelled, you have 1 by log x plus log x and differentiation of x will be 1. So what do you get finally? 1 by log x plus log of log x. 1 by log x plus log of log x, and this v has to be taken on the right hand side. I hope you got the idea. This v has to be taken on the right hand side. dv by dx will be equal to v on the right hand side, which is log x to the power x, and this is your second part. The first part, second part you can just add and you can say, oh, this is the answer. 1 and 2 you can just add. Okay, this question we'll take in the next discussion. Till then, thank you so much and take care of yourself.